I welcome all participants in King's University, Odeomu, Osun State, Nigeria. The university's proprietor is King's Ministry Trust, also known as Kingsway International Christian Center, a Protestant evangelical ministry led by renowned Pastor Matthew Ashimolo. The university was granted license by the federal government of Nigeria through the National University Commission, and academic activities commenced in February 2016. The university is anchored on a philosophy of excellence in teaching and research, underpinned by a set of shared core values, which include commitment to excellence, respect for academic freedom, culture of performance, rewarding achievement, engagement of all staff and students, and fostering partnerships. At King's University, we are poised to raise leaders and transform the minds of the coming generation. Our vision is to raise quality leaders that will transform Nigeria and continually sustain her as a technologically advanced nation. The mission is to be a university recognized for academic excellence and human capital development, which impacts society economically, intellectually, and socially. The core values of the university are openness, honesty and integrity, passion and enthusiasm, innovation and creativity, courage and humility.